So it's 2023 and foreclosures are on the rise. What a lot of people don't know is that a lot of the homeowners are underestimating the banks on how aggressive they are and how serious they are on auctioning your property if you're in foreclosure. So what we do is we provide homeowners with great solutions to save their credit and try to walk away with some of their equity without the bank auctioning their house and just stealing all of the equity from them at these auctions. So I'm gonna give you an example of somebody that we helped out in Tucson, Arizona, and I'm gonna run the numbers for you to show you exactly how you can profit by helping somebody in a situation like this. Now, this house in Tucson, Arizona, we just sold it for $270,000. I offered the seller $10,000 to walk away from the property if they would deed it to us, taking over their existing mortgage. When the seller agrees to taking the $10,000 and deeding the property to us, now we're inheriting all of their issues. We're inheriting the arrears that they're backed up with the bank, which is causing them to have their house auctioned off. And we're also inheriting the conditions of the house. In most cases, they're not gonna be in showroom condition. They're not gonna be upgraded houses. They're gonna need houses that need a lot of work. So we're committing to getting the property inherited and fixing it up and doing what we have to do to be able to sell it for top dollar. In this case, it was $270,000. So not only are we giving them $10,000 to walk away and deed the property to us, we're also paying $20,000 in rehab costs to remodel the house and get it up to standards to sell it on the market. We're paid $24,748 to their bank, which they were behind and they were in default. That was causing the auction in this foreclosure. We've had this property for 6 months, so we paid $1,161 times 6, and that's gonna be to their mortgage in order for us to keep it in good standing after we reinstated their loan and paid their arrears, making good on it. Agent commission is gonna be 5% on this one, 2.5 to the listing agent, 2.5 to the buyer's agent. The reason I paid so much in this case is because it was a friend of mine that helped me rehab the property. So I will make some special circumstances in that case, but normally I'm paying 1% to the listing agent and 2% to the buyer's agent. Closing cost is about 1%, so that brings me in at $16,200. Now with the mortgage payoff that they still have in place, we're looking at $150,000 to pay off their existing mortgage. Now with all that said, we're still walking away with a net profit of $42,000. That's how you make money helping somebody in distress, going through a bad situation on a foreclosure that's having their house auctioned. I hope this video was helpful for those of you that are in real estate, those investors that are just getting into the business. If you aspire to flip houses and help homeowners in bad situations while you're at it, I hope this example was very motivating for you. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.